green beans, onions going, steaks are getting ready. Everybody's enjoying themselves. And do you want your guinea pig to be on YouTube? What's her name?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Hey, Pumpkin.
Pumpkin is here. Oh, she's
Pumpkin's a guinea pig. Look around the lodge. Everybody's trying to get stuff on TV now. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. Got a nice pool table and poker table in here, and these chairs are upholstered with cow hide. Beautiful old bench there. Of course, gobbler mounts, deer skulls, ducks, eastern diamondback rattler. So everybody's been working hard all day, setting up the sporting clays range. Now it's time for a little downtime, get some food, good fellowship. Just having fun with friends out in the ranch. Tonight. I got my windshield up on her. It's getting cold. Got that going ahead of time. Alright, over here we got the charcoal grill prepped. We got a bed of charcoal in there. We got full chimney right there getting lit. Go sprinkle those over the top. Get that all ready for steaks. And man, I tell you, what a beautiful place. You know, we're just hearing the owls hooting already all around the compound here in the dark hammock. It's a beautiful sunset. Stars are coming out, and it's really, really quiet, other than the critters, both human and non-human. Alright, so there's no denying how good you did here now. Oh my God.
Little view of the inside. Nice and pink.
So we got one person over here that can't stand rare, so we had to ruin one of them for him.
Well, I'm trying to figure out which one that was too.
Just throw it back over there on the side.
Mm-hmm. I know that one. All of them are like medium rare.
Exactly. The only way to screw up a steak is overcook it. Go in now, check the Dutch oven on the blackberry peach cobbler, see how she's doing. And she's gonna need to bring some of them coals, since it's so cold out here, off of that one. Over there, put on this one. These fox squirrels are starting to be endangered in Florida. You can no longer hunt them. That's the second or third one I've seen out here. He's got a little sanctuary for these guys. Back when I was a kid, you used to be able to hunt them, but habitat loss, biggest problem. Yes, guys, we are on a working cattle ranch. We got several cattle gaps and whatever. Let's see what this young bull does here. All right, you're okay. He's pawing the ground and stuff. It's like, get out of my area. They're just beautiful old Florida, you know, just old Florida out here. Florida, part of Florida that a lot of people don't even know exists. All right, so it was a great weekend. We had a lot of fun. We worked really good people. Our host, Baxter Troutman, thanks a lot for putting on the tournament and treating us guys that come out and work to make it happen so well. And you know, told us all to make ourselves at home, and we did. And it's just it was a great experience. I was glad I was able to experience it.